Most of the traders I work with come to me after years of failing. They've blown multiple accounts, they've chased signal providers, they've doubted themselves, and they felt like giving up. But all it took was one shift, one change in how they think, and suddenly they're now getting funded with 100K accounts and trading them consistently. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact shift step by step so you can stop losing and finally get what you've been working so hard for. And these exact principles have been taught to hundreds of my traders. Those who implemented them got results. Now, before we get into it, I want you to comment below your biggest trading psychology challenge. I want to offer you some guidance. Now, there are 4 specific action steps that any trader can implement that will transform them from a consistently losing trader to a consistently profitable trader that's funded with 100K accounts. But you have to be careful. There is a trap that if you're unaware of will mean that you'll get funded, but then you'll lose it shortly after. So after I show you how to get funded, I'm going to show you also how you can keep it and you can continue to scale it. Now, the first action step that you want to prioritize as a trader is you need to ensure that you have a profitable edge. There are many traders who think they have a profitable edge. They think they're trading a profitable strategy, but when we actually run the testing and run the data, the numbers show otherwise. So it's crucial that you do your own back testing. Don't take any mentor's word for it. Don't take anybody else's word for it. Do your own testing to ensure that you have a profitable edge and you know when to enter into the market, you know when to exit, and you also have proper risk management, meaning you're not risking any more than 1% of your total account size or your total prop firm account size, and you're not risking any more than 1% of that. And also ensure you have some sort of a drawdown protocol to manage and reduce your risk as you go deeper into drawdown, so you can protect your psychology and so that you don't spiral into revenge trading and into emotional trading. So in your profitable edge, you need to know when to enter, when to exit, and you need to make sure that you're at least having a 51% strike rate if you have a risk to reward of 1-to-1. That's profitable. Ideally, you have a greater strike rate or you have a greater reward to risk, but you want to go off and you want to be certain through back testing that you have a profitable edge. That is step number 1. That's the foundation as a trader. If you don't have a profitable edge, everything that you build on top of will come crumbling down. The second thing is you need to now take your profitable edge and put it into a mechanical trading plan. The reason you need it in a mechanical trading plan is because if you want consistent profitability over the long run, you need to be consistent in the way you show up and execute in the market. If you constantly change the way you execute or change the way you feel, and as a result that impacts your execution, you're not going to have consistent profitability in the long run. Your edge by definition means that over a large sample space of trades, 100 trades for example, some of those trades are going to be a win, some of those trades are going to be a loss. But you're going to win more than what you lose, and as a result, at the end of that larger sample space, you're going to be profitable. So the mechanical trading plan allows you to come up and show up at the market every single day, and when the market presents an opportunity, you execute on your edge. And you don't want to be too zoomed in on the individual trade, but rather you want to take trades daily, unemotionally attached to the outcome, because you know you may not be profitable today. But if you consistently execute over 100 trades, you know in terms of that larger sample space, you're going to be profitable. So when your mechanical trading plan, you need to have clear rules on how you enter, how you exit, and how you manage risk. You want to use checklists, simple rules, and have very simple pictures in there that show you exactly how you're entering. And then if you want to take it one step further, you can take your mechanical trading plan and put it into a checklist, exactly like a pilot or a surgeon or any top performer would use. They have a very simple checklist of what they're doing in certain situations to stop them from being overwhelmed by the amount of opportunities and decisions they can make. So they just do their standard operating procedure. They just do what they know is proven to get them results. So step number 1, make sure you have an edge. Step number 2, make sure you put this into a mechanical trading plan. Then step number 3 is you now need a pre and post mindset routine so that you can stick to your mechanical trading plan and your edge. And really, there are 2 things that are going to take you away from your trading plan now that you have a trading plan. The first is greed. You're going to think that you can get something from the market when the market's not willing to give it to you. You're going to be deviating from your trading plan. You're going to be interrupting your edge. You're going to be forcing ideas which inevitably end in losses. The other thing that's going to take you away from your trading plan is fear. The market may present an opportunity to you, but you may be too scared to act in that moment. So you don't stick to your trading plan. So you need to learn now how to manage fear and greed so that you can stick to your trading plan. And I have a free Bulletproof Your Mindset tool which helps you manage both fear and greed. so that before you're trading, you can identify all your greeds and you can ground those so that you're no longer greedy over something in the market and you're no longer fearing missing out on that or fearing the loss of that, so that you can just stick to your trading plan. And the Bulletproof Your Mindset tool will literally take you through a 3-step process to identify all unrealistic expectations you have in your mind, all the greeds, write them down and ground each of those step by step. And then it's going to ask you a very important question. Does this trade align with your plan? And if it does, you're going to stick to it. If you don't, you're not going to take the trade. So the Bulletproof Your Mindset tool is like your personal coach looking over your shoulder, guiding you to making decisions now only according to your mechanical trading plan and profitable edge. And it makes sure you don't take trades out of greed and out of fear, out of emotion, that are going to ultimately interrupt your edge and kill your ability to have consistent profitability. So if you don't already have the Bulletproof Your Mindset tool, make sure you go into the description and download it. It's completely free. Every single trader knows, if they've been trading long enough, that once they have a trading plan, their job and the most important thing in trading is sticking to that trading plan. A pre and post mindset routine will help you do that. The Bulletproof Your Mindset tool is the best tool that I know right now in the market for trader psychology to do that. It's completely free. It's something I created after years of experience and working with thousands of traders, and it's going to guide you through the correct mindset that the top 1% of traders are using. Now, number 4 is you now need to structure your life for consistency. You as a human being, you have other things outside of your trading. You've got your family and relationships. You've got your health and fitness. You've got your mental. You've got your work. You've got your job. You've got your personal finances. Now, if you have issues in your family and relationships and all these arguments, guess what? That's going to impact your trading. If you're stressed or you're tired and you feel foggy in your brain, that's going to impact your trading. If you feel like you're highly emotional and run by fear and greed, that's going to impact your trading. If your job is stressful or you're not getting paid well enough, that's going to impact your trading. If you have all this pressure in your personal finances and you're trading out of desperation, that's going to impact your trading. So you need to structure your life and every area of life so that you have time and energy for each of the areas that are important to you. Because if you don't, and you don't upkeep those areas, you're going to be overpowered in those areas and they're going to be a distraction and they're going to be a pain towards your trading. So you need to structure your life in a way that is balanced and holistic and allows you to take care of the other components of your life as well as continue to trade without distraction. You need to have a calendar or some sort of structure to organize that. So once you have a profitable edge, you put in a mechanical trading plan and now you're sticking to it because you're using the pre and post mindset routines. You now need to structure all 7 areas of life so that you can consistently stick to that over a long period of time to have consistent profitability. Now, there's a trap. When you finally become funded with your first 6-figure account because of the processes I just shared with you, you're now going to have more capital, which means you're going to create more greeds in your mind about what you think that capital is going to bring you. The lifestyle, the money, the ability to pay rent, the new watches, the new cars, the new status in your community. In your mind, you're going to create more greed, and as a result, you're going to create more FOMO, fear of missing out on that, more fear of losing that. You're going to create a more emotional mental space. So you have to be aware of this trap that the more capital means the more greed and the more fear. This is where my trading mindset tools, especially the Bulletproof Your Mindset tool, which is completely free, is going to help you manage this so you can consequently manage the fear and you can scale by sticking to your trading plan irrespective of the emotional state. The reason I ended up losing my first round of investment was I had a profitable trading strategy, but I didn't have the right mindset. I didn't have the tools and understandings that I'm teaching you now. The moment I put more capital on the line, the more pressure I had, the more emotional I became. I didn't have the proper mindset tools. So you have to become aware that the more capital, the greater pressures. You need the right mindset tools in place. You need the right processes in place to ensure that you can scale successfully without losing it. If you consistently use my Bulletproof Your Mindset tool, you're going to ground your greeds, you're going to manage your fears, you're going to manage your psychology, and it's going to allow you to scale without any issues. And you're just going to be making more and more money from your trading by just sticking to your trading plan over the long term. So if you don't have that tool, make sure you download it. It's completely free, first link in the description. And traders, if you found this useful, make sure you like and subscribe. By subscribing, you stay up to date with any of my new releases to ensure that your mindset is in the best possible place to make as much money as a trader possible. And before you click away, make sure you click and watch this next video that's going to pop up on your screen. This is going to give you an even deeper dive into your trader psychology to ensure that you can achieve consistent profitability.